Craig, you checking out the hydroponic system? Huh? Whoa, you like the water? He heard the water and came on running. Check everything out. Little crazy kid. You're gonna get soaked. He's a perfect kid. 2 years old. Just like his mommy and daddy. Mischief crazy. Oh! Fumble! Dust yourself off. Yeah. Hydroponics system. Doing some growing so we can feed the chickens and goats and hopefully get big enough to do the horse as well. So, and trying to get this going. 3 more days. We'll have all 7 days worth of growth up here and start the harvest.